Hello everyone, I'm Avichal, and this is the project OpenTutor, which I have built for the Kilovine Hackathon. This is an AI-powered learning platform that creates workspace for different topics, generates personalized roadmaps, and you can master any subject with AI-generated in-depth content, flashcards, and quizzes. Heroes AI IDE to build this, and especially the Kiro spec mode. And along with that, I also integrated different MCP servers into Kiro, like Context 7, to get the best context on documentation for different things I used in this project, like Next.js and Convex for backend, and Fetch tool, and Firecrawl, and other MCP servers for web search. So let us see the so let us see how the roadmap generation actually works. You type in what you want to learn. Now the roadmap generation has occurred. So see the roadmap. So this tells you the subtopics in this particular part, videos which you can see from that for this particular module, and so and so. And this has generated a 7 module roadmap which you can follow to learn this. Now once you have this, you can also generate content in this using just this generate. Now I will show you some content which I had already generated for my previous workspace, which was the machine learning workspace. Now here I had already generated 2 content. So you can go to roadmap, you can generate content using this. And there are 3 types of content generation. First is web search, second is your documents, third is both sources. Now what this does is your document means you can index any document you want from which you want to generate content or learn from. Like for example, I use this book, Introduction to Machine Learning with Python, and this has been stored in a vector database and is being used to generate this content, study content for me. Now I'll show you how this content looks like. So this can be viewed as slides, which is like this, which has this view and this view, and you can also view it in full one markdown as well, like this. Now it depends on you how you like learning. Now the next one is the flashcard agent, which generates flashcards for you so that you can recall these topics again and again. You can show answer, you can go to the next, you can reveal the answer. This is also generated using an AI agent. Next one is the quizzes. You can take this quiz, let us say collection of matrices, reveal answer. I guess I was wrong. And then after that, you have short notes, which was generated for that particular content. These notes look something like this. This is all generated using the AI agent. We also have light mode for someone who likes to not use dark mode, I guess. And the final feature we have is the mini drona, from which you can ask anything in this workspace. This has all the things indexed in a vector database so that it can give you answers about this workspace very quickly. So you can just summarize the key concepts and just give it to mini drona. And what this will do is this will give you exactly what summaries you want. And this also gives you the sources from which it drew the data as well. I've done it all the agents that are available in workspaces. And now we are doing the deep research agent, which generates comprehensive research reports for you. Now, there are 2 types of deep research, that is standard report and comprehensive report. Standard report goes to 20 to 30 sources on the internet and generates a report based on that, while a comprehensive report goes to about more than 50 and even up to 100 sources as required to generate the report. Now, this is asking you a clarification question. So let us answer this clarification question. Now this deep research has started and this will take some time to generate. So let us see a previous report which I have generated. Now this includes an executive summary and all the trends that are there in AI startups right now, etc. And also gives you the sources from which it has taken the citations as well. So this was my project for this was OpenTutor, and I hope you liked it.